Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to check your Social Security benefit status. The first method is online. Open your web browser and go to the Social Security website. Sign in to your My Social Security account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one and follow the steps to verify your identity. Once you are signed in, scroll to the section that shows your benefits applications. Select View Details next to the application you want to check. Here you will see important information about your claim, including the date you applied and the current status. This is the fastest way to stay updated without having to call or visit an office. Another way to check your benefit status is by contacting Social Security by phone. You can call their main number for updates. If you are deaf or have hearing issues, you can use the special TTY number. Make sure you have your Social Security number ready when you call. Visiting a local Social Security office is also an option, but online or phone updates are usually faster and easier. These simple steps will help you keep track of your benefits and know what to expect next. Thanks for watching.